Don't get much closer than that, guys. Pretty boy.
Show you how to change the battery on your car remote. First thing that we're going to do is, you can see there's a little tab here. We're going to slide this over, and when I slide that over, then I can pull my key up and it releases my key. We can just use this key, and some people will just use the key, and you can see here, and you're going to put it in here and you can pry it up. I don't really like to do that. It feels like it could get damaged. So what I do is I use a file, and then I'm going to run my fingernail in here. The file is a little bit narrower there, and as you can see, that slides in there easy. And then I can just slide this down the seam. It slid down that one seam very easily, and you can see here it's being separated. I am not going to just take it now and then pry it open, because the other side is still tight, so we need to get in there. So what I'm going to do is, you can see, if you look in here, there's a little narrow opening right here. I'm going to get this file as close as I can to the edge, and then I will just slide through there, and as you can see, I can slide that right on down, and that side is open. So now what I'm going to do is open this up. I've removed the cover. Here is the actual remote. This is the part that actually controls everything. You can see what's involved there, not very much. And then you have your battery. So all you need to do is pop out this battery. This one is CR2032, and I have gone online and I have ordered one of those. So next thing you do is you get your new battery, and you are going to take that battery and you will pop this back into place. We will make sure we get our remote back in place. So now we have our remote in place. We have a new battery in there, and then we will take this. We're going to make sure we're all lined up. Remember, these are very expensive. We don't want to break them. And then we will just begin the squeezing process, and it will all clip back in nicely. And take your key. You can see where the wider opening is, and you just push that right back in, and we are good to go, and we have a working remote. So good luck to you, and hopefully it all goes well. Panasonic batteries, CR2032. A lot of people get concerned. They're like, oh my gosh, if the battery runs out, I'm not going to be able to get into my car. If you look right here on the front of your remote, you can see this little tab. It's going to slide to the side, and you'll slide that over, and when you pull up, your key will come out. So you can always, if you have an issue, get into the vehicle.
What is that?